Ever wonder how fast things can actually go in this vast, infinite universe of ours? Speed, as we know it on Earth, takes on a whole new meaning when we venture into the cosmos. In this boundless expanse, the speed of light is the ultimate cosmic speed limit, clocking in at a staggering 186,000 miles per second. Now, imagine objects zipping through space at speeds that make our fastest rockets seem like crawling snails. Whether it's galaxies hurtling through the void or neutron stars spinning at dizzying rates, the universe is a playground for speed. These celestial bodies move at velocities that are truly mind-boggling, dwarfing anything we can achieve here on our little blue planet. So buckle up, space enthusiasts. We're about to embark on a supersonic journey through the cosmos. Prepare to have your mind blown as we count down the top 5 fastest objects in the universe. Starting our countdown at number 5, we have a whole galaxy speeding through space. Picture this, the M86 galaxy, for instance, hustles through the cosmos at an incredible speed of over 800,000 miles per hour. This mind-boggling velocity is not due to the galaxy's own power, but rather, it's carried along by the expansive force of the universe itself, just like a surfer riding a monstrous wave but on a cosmic scale. Imagine an entire galaxy moving faster than your mind can comprehend. Moving up the speed list to number 4, we find the rapidly spinning neutron stars. These celestial wonders are the remnants of massive stars that have exploded in supernovae. Compact and dense, a neutron star typically measures a mere 20 kilometers across but packs in a mass greater than our sun. Imagine that. Something the size of a small city containing more matter than our entire sun. But what really sets neutron stars apart is their incredible speed. These stars spin on their axes at mind-boggling rates, some as fast as 700 times per second. That's faster than the blades of a commercial helicopter. Their outer edges travel at about a quarter the speed of light, making them one of the fastest spinning objects in the universe. Think of them as celestial ballerinas, twirling at unimaginable speeds. So, next time you look up at the night sky, remember the neutron stars, small but mighty speed demons of the cosmos. At number 3, we have the blazing pulsars, spinning faster than a kitchen blender. These celestial wonders are a unique type of neutron star, the collapsed cores of massive stars that have exploded in supernovae. Pulsars are so dense that a sugar cube-sized amount of their matter would weigh as much as a mountain, and their speed? Simply staggering. Now imagine a star, about 20 kilometers in diameter, spinning hundreds of times per second. That's right, per second. The fastest spinning pulsar known to us, dubbed PSRJ 1748-2446 AD, spins a dizzying 716 times each second. That's over 43,000 revolutions per minute. That's faster than any blender you'll find in a kitchen. But it's not just their speed that's fascinating. These spinning stars are also cosmic clockwork, ticking away with a precision that rivals the best atomic clocks on Earth. Pulsars, the universe's natural lighthouses, flashing away at mind-bending speeds. Number 2 on our list brings us to the incredibly fast cosmic jets. These are high-energy streams of matter, shot out from the hearts of black holes. Imagine a fire hose on an interstellar scale, but instead of water, it's spewing out particles at near-light speed. Cosmic jets are indeed the universe's speed demons, reaching velocities that make our fastest spacecraft seem like turtles in comparison. Cosmic jets, shooting through the universe faster than you can say speed of light. And finally, the fastest thing in the universe, the speed of light. Have you ever pondered over what the speed of light truly is? It's not just a figure we throw around in science fiction, it's a fundamental constant of nature. The speed of light is approximately 670 million miles per hour. That's the equivalent of circling the Earth 7.5 times in a single second. This speed isn't just for show, though. In the grand scheme of the cosmos, it sets the pace for everything. It's the ultimate speed limit, the yardstick against which all other speeds are measured. Nothing can travel faster than light in the vacuum of space, not even the most swift-footed cosmic entities we've discussed. Why is this so? It's deeply rooted in the fabric of our universe, in Einstein's theory of relativity. It fundamentally alters our understanding of space and time, making it not just a speed but a cornerstone of our reality. The speed of light, the unbeatable speed champion of the universe,